When having the conversation with someone to say that they won't be making the stage, the hardest feeling, it's almost like you're dimming their lights. Because let's be honest, when they come to these practices, they're coming to make the stage. They're not sacrificing all these weekends just for the sake of coming here. There is that goal to make the stage as well. And especially with these two, knowing them for, well, since they've been at Kura, it's a hard conversation to have, especially with our little shrimp fry.
I've been a little bit, girl decides she want to go on a cruise with her whānau for 2 weeks, so Miss Tūnoho, and then she gets hapu, and wow.
And I know ko ngā hua.
Ngā hua.
Having an interview about not being
And
on the
a
stage.
beautiful one at that.
Wow, it's whānau. I didn't make Angitu. That happens when you want to go on holiday. Hoi anō, he kaupapa whānau. Very grateful to still be standing alongside our whānau, Angitu Turu.
Well, e hika kana te ngākau, te tūtahi ki taku whānau me aku hoa haka. Obviously it's looking a little bit different this round, but me and Harry have forgiven her for going on her cruise.
As you must.
Yeah, not making it. Bloody hell.
Hoi anō rā, there's always another campaign and another kaupapa, and we just go again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ko te roto Angitu, ture ko te kaupapa o tēnei. I te mea, te tokomaha na tangata e hea akane kia tāpiri mai ki roto i o ngātene kapa. I brought Kamaea over to actually jump up with us, even though she's handy Angitu, but we are being mindful in terms of her physical well-being. But this is an opportunity for them to actually jump up and just enjoy, and relax, really.
Mitu ana tēnei ki me pēne, ka noho pūmau e nā hononga.
Hoi anō e kite ana i te pai tata i tēnei wā, nō reira koe rā te mea nui.
I ēnā takatunga i tino rongo i te wairua, i te synergy i runga i te papa, te wairua me ohua ki ngā tahataha.
But I'm so proud of just their progress within this campaign alone and what I've been able to see within this last 10 wānanga.
I'm performing for her on behalf of both of us. So yeah, it's just kind of taking her on stage with me.
Me te mea hoki e kanohi hau anō, te kuhunga mai a Harry ki roto i tā mātou kapa, e rawe te rongo i taua wairua hau, taua kite i taua kanohi hau. Me te mea hoki he hātake hi rawa i a, nō reira he rawe hei whakaihihi, hei whakaoreore i te wairua.
This is the first top drop I've ever watched. I only found out like 20 minutes ago what that was. It's incredible. I'd watch that every day if I could. It was a spiritual experience.
Such an old gag thing.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty, Harrison.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
I loved it. Well done.
Thank you.
Very proud of you.
Thank you.
You did so well.
Yeah, you reckon you can get up there and do that?
100%.
Yeah, I reckon so. Lead
Yeah,
up.
and can I say, you are looking cut.
Oh, thank you.
You're
well,
so
this
ripped.
annoying ass flatmate of mine actually recommended a diet plan, so I tried
Really?
it out. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's worked out quite well, hasn't it?
Well, I mean, it was like 80% my work,
Oh my
20%
God.
his like
Okay.
nagging.
You look good.
But yeah,
You
okay,
look
I'll
good.
agree. Thank you.
So
Thank
good.
you. Thank you, Harry.
Thank you.
Harry.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm very sweaty.
Yep, you're welcome.
Haka is all about a presentation and how you look. So I'm going to test out a few of the products that I think Kamaea should get around, just to be a good mate and help her out. Kamaea and I are quite similar skin tones, so I think it's good that I can test these products for her. Don't tell my mum, but we're actually in the ladies' loo at the marae, so won't put that in maybe. Or just don't tell her.
What I am liking is having Harry on board, because he brings a whole nother fresh energy and perspective, not only for Aniwa and Kamaea, but for the whole team. We all absolutely love Harry. He's actually an official member of the whānau.
Pere, look what I did. How good's that?
I'm glad you showed me that other leg so I could see actually what was going on here.
Look at the difference. It's just to help Kamaea
Now you're
out.
really from Ngāti Kahungunu there.
Yeah.
Harry.
Look at
Smells
these.
Like mimi. Oh my God. You know they got to go on your like lash
Eyelids.
line, not the eyelid.
I already had long lashes, so I was.
One's going down and one's going up.
I can't tell the difference.
Hey, can I just try? Like,
Yeah.
let's just like redo that one. Then it goes up to the right side.
Right.
And you want to put it on your like lash line. Hold, 2, 3. Harrietta.
Hello. Angitu.
Angitu.
I reckon definitely. the
Hey,
Haka
besties.
vibes. Hey,
Check
hey,
those out.
girl. Oh my
you put a
god!
tan on?
Why is it
Yeah.
orange? Is that
It's a fake
orange?
tan. And these as well.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
god!
You're
Good,
so...
eh?
Because you
you-
need all these products and stuff. Is this your coming out story?
No, it's not a coming out story.
It's okay
no.
if it is.
Well, it's not a coming
We're
out
really
story.
accepting.
But this is all for Kamaea.
Those are too much. You're flying away.
So it does annoy me.
And Hakas, we call them spider legs.
Spider
They're
legs.
like too full on.
Show us your coconut, please. With those on.
Oh!
I mean, it does make yours look a little bit bigger.
Well,
I don't like blood.
I don't want to be mean, but I also think Kamaea, we need to get into your that. So take my card, supermarket, get yourself some dye, whatever.
Wait, supermarket. A box dye is going to make it worse than what
Okay.
it already is.
No, go to the salon.
Thank you, rewards. Thank you very much. I shall see what I can do.
Kosa, so next time we see these guys, they'll be killing it on the stage, okay?
That part.
Nah, I'm sure I'm really proud of you guys.
Thank you, Harry.
Thank you, Harry.
I love you both.
Wow.
I love
Really
you
big
too.
statement.
T-Rex on 3. 1, 2, 3, T-Rex.
Can you do the T-Rex man wave? Can you do the T-Rex man wave?
I don't know what you're up to, but I'm always looking for a next cast for another season.
You know, that's us. I mean,
I'll consider it.
you.
Thanks, bruv.
Thanks. Good.
That's just a friendly handshake. That's not a business handshake.
Well, I need the firm from.
You are in mind. There you go.